Tech channel. You are back here for the Talent Tech Photoshop Quick Tip video series. Today, I brought you a very important quick tip on removing any words or contents from a background. Now with Photoshop, you can remove any content from any background with just one small, simple click. Without further talks, we shall just head in on to our tutorial. Open the image with text or content that you want to remove like this. I opened this image which is downloaded from Pixabay website which holds so many copyright free images for the content creators. Just think you need to erase this 20 virgin from the background. It's quite easier with the content aware fill in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Open the lasso tool. First, I zoom a bit by pressing both Ctrl plus key together. You can press the space bar and drag the file to the view you prefer. Now, I make a selection around the letter 2 like this with the two last two. Then, I press Shift key, then the backspace keys together in the keyboard to get the fill option box. Now, I span the contents drop-down menu and select the content aware option and press OK. Now, let the fill to do the magic. Wait till the progress bar completed, fill in with the green. Now, you could see how rapidly it could be removed the letter 2. The same process carried out for the letter 0 also. Let's make the selection of the letter 0 area you need to remove. Again, press the Shift key, then the backspace key together to get the filling option panel. Now select the aware option from the contents drop-down menu and press the OK key to complete the process. You can erase any word in content or any object from a background using the same method.
Hope you could learn another interesting quick tip today in Photoshop. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe and bell icon too. Leave us a like to the video if this video is helpful to you. Alright, we will meet back soon with a new video released to this same video series. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day. Bye bye.